Hey guys, today's recipe challenge, I'm going vegetarian. That's right, so we're using some beautiful Portobello mushrooms and we're gonna make a perfect vegetarian mushroom on toast. I have some ingredients here, a little bit of ginger, garlic, thyme. We're gonna add rye bread. I think it's gonna be great, has a little bit of nuttiness, and we're gonna top it off with some Comté cheese. You can also use Swiss. So first, my mushroom stock. We're gonna simmer that, reduce that cup by about half. Before I saute the mushrooms, we're gonna toast our bread, a little bit of neutral oil, give it a nice coating. It's gonna go perfect with the mushrooms. And we're gonna give that a nice toast. You can see the lines going down. I'm gonna really intensify the mushroom broth flavor. I got my cast iron back on medium-high heat. So we're gonna do a dry sear on the mushrooms, help release some of that moisture, and then we'll add some oil and saute it. So look right here, it's getting a dark color around there. Look at the moisture starting to come out. Oh, there we go. Add a little bit of oil. Touch of salt. Okay, these are perfect right now. So, gonna pull it off. Reduced by half. Gonna shut off that mushroom stock. Smells so good, guys. Guys, if you are loving this dish so far and can't wait to try it like me, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of oil. Onions. Hear that sizzle? Those are going in. Garlic going in. All right, now my thyme's going in. I'm gonna grate some fresh ginger. Ingredient, instead of dairy, we're using coconut milk. So we're gonna go in with about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 tablespoons of coconut milk. About 3 or 4 tablespoons of the mushroom stock. Let that reduce. About a teaspoon of Dijon. A few drops of Worcestershire sauce. It almost looks like a creamy bechamel. Look, it's getting a little bit dark. This is what we want right here. Mushrooms going in. And we're just gonna go in with just a squeeze of 2 of lime. That's gonna help brighten the flavors. So, let's plate up. So stacking these a long way. And I want all that extra flavor in there. Right? Got my Comté cheese here. Some beautiful slices. Gonna broil that right? Just needed a few seconds there. Wow. Woo. Okay. Now, just take the ends off these chives. All right, guys, I'm gonna dig in. Oh, hear that crunch. Wow, guys. Just as I expected, this is delicious. Definitely, the mushroom is the star of the show. Nice, hearty, meaty, flavorful. A third the price of meat or a steak. And then we added the coconut, we added the lime juice to help brighten up those flavors. Garlic notes, coconut, all these flavors meld really well together. It's almost like taking a very homey dish and making it even brighter elevating it, making it healthy. And also I just want to keep going back for more, so it's not too heavy. So if you guys like this mushroom on toast recipe and you want to see more healthy recipes, please like and subscribe. And if you guys want another vegetarian dish that I do recommend, try my sweet potato falafels with a wonderful mint and yogurt sauce. Take care, guys.